Great day, dear learners! So this is Grade 7 Mathematics, Quarter 1, Week 4, Problem Solving Involving Percentage Increase under Matatag Curriculum, Part 2. So dito natin sasagutin yung Activity 3 last time kung napanood mo yon. Kung hindi pa, pwedeng balikan yung video. Ito yung given problem last time. So we have 3 problems. So tingnan natin kung paano siya sagutin. Let's start answering. So, number 1 problem. In 2020, a school recorded a total of 1,200 enrollees, while in 2022, the total enrollees is 1,954. What is the percentage increase in the school's enrollment? Okay, let's have the following given. Original value or the OV is 1,200. The new value or NV is 1,954. So we are looking for the percentage increase. Now for the solution, let us put here the formula PI is equal to NV minus OB all over OV times 100%. So NV is 1,954 minus 1,200 all over 1,200 times 100%. So we have here now 754 over 1,200 times 100%. So at this, on this part, pwede na nating i-cancel itong 100 over yung 2 zeros dito sa baba. Yan. Now we have here 754 over 12. So solve natin. 754 divided by 12. 75 divided by 12, we have 6. 6 times 12 is 72. Then let us subtract. 75 minus 72 is 3. Then let us bring down 4. 34 divided by 12 is 2. 2 times 12 is 24. Then we subtract again. We got 10. Now let us add 2 zeros. So bring down 1 zero here. Now let us divide 100 divided by 12. We have there 8. 8 times 12 is 96. So we subtract this one. We got 4. Then let us bring down the last zero. So we have 40 divided by 12. We have there 3. Because 3 times 12 is 36. So 40 minus 36 is 4. But we will not be adding another zero kasi okay na siya to 2 decimal place value. So our PI here now is 62.83%. Problem number 2. After increasing the price by 1,200, the price of a TV set becomes 7,600. What is the percentage increase in the price of the TV set? Okay, so let us have the following. Original value is unknown. New value is 7,600. The increase in value is 1,200 and the percentage increase is also unknown. So first, let us find for the OV. But we will be needing this formula. IV is equal to NV minus OV. Now let us interchange the places of IB and OV by additive inverse. This IV now will become negative IB here on the right side, and this OV now will become positive OV on the left side. So we have now OV equals NV minus IV. Now we have here 7,600 minus 1,200, and that is equal to 6,400. Now we are ready to find for our solution. Our PI now is equal to NV minus OV all over OV times 100%. 7,600 minus 6,400 all over 6,400 times 100%. Now, subtracting this, we will have here now 1,200 over 6,400 times 100%. So, dito pinakita ko lang yung 7,600 minus 6,400. Pero we already know that NV minus OB is also equal to IV. And since given naman siya, pwede na agad direct na ilagay na 1,200 over 6,400. Okay? Next is, we may cancel this, yung 0 dito sa taas na dalawa over zeros na dalawa dito sa baba. Para mas mabilis na lang natin kunin ang kanilang list form. So 12 now and 64 are multiples of 4, or 12 and 64 can be divided exactly by 4. So pag divide natin ang 12 by 4, it will be 3. And then 64 divided by 4, that will be 16. Now multiplying 3 times 100, we have 300, then over 16. Ngayon, i-compute natin. We have here 300 divided by 16. So 30 divided by 16 is 1. 1 times 16 is 16. Then let us subtract. So we have here 14. Then we are going to bring down 0 here. Para yung 140 will be divided to 16. Wherein we have 8 16s and 140. So 8 times 16, we have 128. Then subtract. We have here now 12. And then let's add 2 zeros. Bring down again 1 0. Then 120 now divided by 16 is 7. 7 times 16 is 112. Subtract ulit natin. Then we have 8. Bring down 0. Then 80 divided by 16 is 5. 5 times 16 is 80. Subtract. That is 0. So, ibig sabihin, our PI now is 18.75%. Problem number 3. Randy made 2 attempts in answering a set of exercises in math. He recorded a score of 80 in the first attempt and 91 in the second attempt. What is the percentage increase in his scores? If the required percentage increase is at least 10%, proceed to the next set of exercise. Can Randy proceed to the next set? Okay, so meron tayo ditong original value which is 80, new value which is 91, and we are looking for the percentage increase. So let us compute. We have here PI is equal to NV minus OV all over OV times 100%. So lagay natin dyan, 91 minus 80 all over 80 times 100%. So we have here now 11 over 80 times 100%. Dito, pwede na nating i-divide or tanggalin itong isang 0 over sa 0 ng 80. So that, if we will multiply 11 times 10, meron na tayong 110 over 8. Now, 110 over 8 can be divided exactly by 2, both 110 at saka yung ating 8. If we will divide it, 110 divided by 2 is 55 and 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now let us compute. 55 divided by 4, we have 5 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down 5. 15 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Then subtract ulit natin. We have here 3. Then we add 0.0 dun sa taas so that we can bring down here 0. Now 30 divided by 4, that is now 7. But remember to indicate our decimal point. So we have there 30 divided by 4 is 7. 7 times 4 now is 28. Then we subtract this one. 30 minus 28, we have 2. So we add again another 0. Then bring down 0. So we have here 20 divided by 4. And that is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So subtracting, syempre 0 na yan. Therefore, we have a PI of 13.75%. So ang tanong, if the required percentage increase is at least 10% to proceed to the next set of exercise, can Randy proceed to the next set? Oh, ayan, lumampas siya sa 10%. So yes, that's the answer. Okay, so I just hope you learned something for today. See you sa ating next video. Para sa mas marami pang video, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, like, and share. Happy learning!